Hello dear student, I am Rajwant Singh from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today I will explain the chapter Antigones in English. My dear student, before starting, I want to say, listen carefully and try to understand the chapter. Okay, let's start. Antigones. Inspired by reports of a ghost roaming the stairs of a haunted house in Antigones, Canada, W.H. Mons wrote this poem in 1899. This poem of ghost is composed by W.H. Mons in 1899, and it is written by inspiring the reports of a ghost roaming the stairs of a haunted house in Canada, that is in Antigones. Yesterday upon the stair, I met a man who wasn't there. The poet explains in these lines that yesterday I met a man upon the stairs. The poet meets a man while he is going on the stairs of the house. He meets a man who wasn't there. The man is not present there, but he meets him. He wasn't there again today. I wish he would go away. And the poet says that the next day he wasn't there and he want to meet again today to that person, to that man who wasn't there at that time, and he wants to meet again at that day. I wish he would go away. And the poet says that this is my wish, that what I know, that I wish he would go away from there, and he wants to meet again to that man who is invisible, who was disappeared from there. And these are the things that he explains in these lines. When I came home last night at 3, and further the poet expresses the next day when he went home last night at 3 o'clock, the man was waiting there for me. And the poet says that man was waiting for him the next day in that house, who was invisible, who was disappeared, but he feels that there is someone who is not showing his body and is disappeared, is invisible, but I feel the presence of a man. This explains the poet. And further lines, but when I looked around the hall, I couldn't see him there at all. And the poet says, when he looked around the hall of the house, when he saw around the hall of that house, then he couldn't see him there at all. The man about the poet describes the next day he wants to meet him and he searched him all around the house, all around the hall, but he doesn't get that man because he was not there and he became disappeared. The poet thought that he has gone from there and he explains about this in these lines. Go away, don't you come back anymore. Go away, and please don't slam the door. And in further lines, the poet again says to that man who is invisible, who is disappeared, the poet says, go away, go away. The poet says, go away from here and don't come you back anymore. And the poet says to the invisible man that go away from here and don't come back anymore because here is no need of you and no need to come here at all. Go away and please don't slam the door. He also said, go away from here and don't come here again and don't slam the door again because here is no need of coming you. And in the last 4 lines, the poet expresses again, last night I saw upon the stair a little man who wasn't there. The poet says again that last night he had seen the man, he wasn't there, and he didn't come again on that place. A little man who wasn't there, that was seen by the poet in that hall, he wasn't there again today. And the next day when poet again went to the hall, he didn't saw the man who was looking there the last night in the hall. He wasn't there again. Oh, how I wish he would go away. And the poet says again, how I wish, how I can say that you go from here, but I think already he has gone from here because he isn't there the next day in the hall of that house. And the poet wants to describe that I am not afraid the ghost and I don't want to run away the ghost because I have seen him last night on the stairs of the house, and the next day I searched for him around the hall of that building, of that house, but he wasn't there. He has disappeared from there. He has gone from there. And the poet says that he doesn't want to say that go away from here, but already he has gone from there. So he is some sad for disappearing him, and this is his experience that the ghost has gone from there. This is your poem and this is the explanation of your poem. So my dear student, listen carefully and try to understand the explanation of this poem, Antigonus, that is based on ghost. Best of luck. That's all. And this is enough for today. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.